What's up? Is it a coincidence that it's raining for the fluids playlist? So welcome back to the fluids playlist. This is video number 2. Now in this one we just kind of review a little bit of dimensional analysis, and I think it's a good thing to review some physics and some concepts from chemistry and physics, just to make sure we have that good foundation. Alright, so I hope you enjoy. Okay, we're going to start things off a bit interactive. So hopefully you guys will remember this kind of thing from physics, so this will actually be a review. So what I want you guys to do is, I want you guys to lead this one actually. So first of all, have you guys heard of dimensional analysis?
Yes.
Okay, so what can you describe it as?
Gosh, just putting in the spotlight.
Yeah.
Using the units you're given to find the units you want.
Sure, yeah, sure, absolutely. So there's 7 base dimensions, but the main ones we're going to be dealing with are mass, length, and time, and temperature. This is temperature, alright, so don't get confused. This is time, temperature. Okay, so what I want you guys to do is derive, let me put this a little closer. Temperature. Basically, we're going to have this nice long table, and you guys are going to fill it out. So everyone get up here, and you guys can take turns. So I want the dimension, the mass, the equation, if there is one, there's going to be a bunch of equations, and the units. Alright, so everyone come up, come closer, and I want mass, length, time, and then I want velocity, velocity, acceleration, momentum, force, and energy, or work. Alright, who's first? Nove, got it. Pick your poison, so fill out like an entire...
Mass is at 10 speed 10 volume.
Oh, nice, very good, very good.
And then units is per kilogram.
Very good, nice. Alright, who's next? Let's take that. You got it, Crystal? This is equation. Let me write it as an equation. You need an equal sign to be technical.
Yeah.
Okay. I should have put density, but that's a good example. Equation, units, kilograms. All right, go for it.
Wait, okay, what do you mean by equation?
Length there isn't really one, so can't do that. So
Yeah.
just say delta x. Delta x. To be technical, delta x equals length.
Okay.
I should have put area in here.
Hey, one question.
Yeah.
Rather than writing down the equations for each, because that means I have to think of each individual case in relation to a certain situation, can we just write down units? Because I don't want to be like put on the spot and go up there and be like, oh man, I gotta think of some situation using
That's
force.
a good point, but I just been like to give one away. I'm gonna take one. F equals ma. It's like any equation.
Oh my god, we
And time, there's not really one for time. There's not really one for temperature either.
And did you use a theta for temperature?
Yeah. So for some reason textbooks they don't want to confuse time and temperature. So these are dimensions. Okay. So, but our main concern is these. Okay. But to be technical, if you guys do dimensional analysis, which I know is in your book, I'm putting that just in case because I know that's the notation.
Acceleration.
Yeah.
To be like change in velocity, right? Change in time.
Right,
or was it just time?
Yes, that's right. That's right.
Okay.
Good. And units?
Then,
Yes, perfect.
Okay.
Acceleration. So, all right, you're up.
Yeah.
So to be technical, the proper definition is the time derivative of velocity.
Yeah.
And to be technical, we're going to use vector notation. Okay. This is important later on because we're going to be dealing with vectors in fluids.
Was it?
Well, good job. I like that.
Retain time.
Perfect. Perfect. And to fill these out, Marius, you're up. Temperature, this is like degrees Celsius. And and this will be like meters. Okay. You only got a couple left.
For which one?
You only got momentum and energy. So pick your poison, and I'll finish the last one.
I don't remember.
You remember momentum? You're taking thermo. Do you remember one for energy? It could be any equation. Okay, that's the unit. You got the unit.
Oh boy.
You got it, dude. Don't worry. All right, good. Now, energies. Yes. So that is true. Can you write an equation for this, since these are equations? And these are units.
Force times mass.
This is not mass, this is so close.
This.
You got it.
Will it just be FML2?
Yes, you got it. Yep. Nice job. So these are the units, and this is work. And we're gonna go over energy in its own little section. I should have put that in the list because energy can be confusing. So to me, this is basically pretty much everything we use in chemical engineering. I think of chemi as like more physics-based rather than chemistry-based. Like as you said, like we don't know chemistry well, but we're pretty good at physics. And so as you can see, if you notice, all of these are all just manipulations of these three. So these are the base dimensions, okay? So really make sure you understand that. There's meters per second. This is length per time, right? Length per time squared, okay? Force, newtons times meters, which is going to be expanded to kilograms times meters per second squared, times another meters, which is mass times length squared per time squared. So we've never even introduced a single other unit. And again, since we know work is force times distance, I can just take work. I can just take force, which is already right here. So I can just copy that down. Times another length, and that turns into mass times length cubed per time squared. So even a seemingly relatively confusing dimension as energy, it's nothing other than manipulations of mass, length, and time. Make sense? So something to keep in mind for the next couple of years, basically. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that video. Let me know if you have any questions. Now, I do apologize for the lighting. I know it's really not the best. I'm thinking of redoing the videos that I've done so far on a blackboard, so if you would like that, please let me know. And if not enough people watch this playlist, then what's the point of redoing it? So let me know if you want me to redo the videos, because it's difficult to see, it might be difficult to hear, I understand. But anyway, let me know if you have any questions, and as usual, feel free to check out the playlist, check out my channel, and most importantly, don't forget to share this with your friends, family, and your dog.